All right, everybody, we ready?
Yeah!
We're here.
Here.
Taryn made spaghetti and meatballs.
And it's delicious. Yeah, it's amazing.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna offer him money to get a whole shot. So you guys have to look good and be pretty along. All right. All right. So just.
Okay.
This is his. No. So let's watch this.
Okay, so we are going to the race, and we're gonna meet the dirt bike rider that has
Kevin Moran.
Yeah. Everyone's ready.
We're testing it out.
And Dad's very nervous.
Check, check. 1, 2.
Check. Walking to the pits.
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Carla, who's your favorite motocross racer?
I have no idea. But the only guy I can think of is Broccoli Tickle.
Rocco Pickle.
Yeah.
Here, move over here, guys. Squidge over. Go over here. Yeah, press back over. We'll start.
Hey, you can't come in, bro.
Naughty boy.
Alrighty, we got Craig here with Tank Masters, here to reveal the 10K cash for a hole shot. So just really appreciate you guys jumping on board. And you got anything to say?
We're just excited to be part of the Range Mafia, and we wanted a little more. We were having fun. We want that bike up front, so we're trying to get a whole shot today. So
Heck yeah.
we have the cash with us. The 10 grand is here.
Come in on that.
We need to get this bike up front. This Tank Master bike needs to be up there.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Putting that bad boy
It's
up
all
top.
here.
I appreciate Tank Masters. Go check them out.
Okay.
I appreciate Tank Masters, so go check them out. See how we get it done today.
That's how you ride, baby.
Unadilla, baby.
Yep.
Having fun, Nate? You having fun? All right.
Son of a gun, man. We tried.
Wait.
So we got that.
Yep.
Got some posters.
Perfect.
What do you say?
I'll send you guys some more too.
I appreciate it, man.
And then I've got,
There's
these
3.
are from today.
Yeah.
So I just ripped these off, and then these are from Washougal, so I just signed them with Washougal, P22,
Perfect.
stuff like that. So I'm sending you guys
All
with
right.
all this stuff.
Nice.
Thank
I appreciate
you.
it.
So,
We're gonna. I need a picture.
yeah, absolutely.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. Here, you want me to hold one of those?
Yeah, sure.
Very hard. Take some back.
Take it hard. Taryn, you take it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready and steady.
Hold on.
Here we go, guys.
Now we go back and cook dinner.
Yeah.
Whoa. You see them all?
There's so many, Daddy.
Yeah.
Get the grill going, but tonight we're going to be having ravioli, tortellini, with Caesar salad, and burgers and dogs if we can get that going. And brownies for dinner, right, Leigh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're going to play Uno, and I'm going to win.
No, I'm gonna win. Yesterday, I won.
I know you did. I lost every single time.
Me too. I always lost when I won one.
Are you going to play?
I didn't see it.
This is mine.
Okay, so we are going outside to play on our dirt bikes and our bikes. If you guys want to come along with us, you can always. Okay, guys, so we are gonna ride our bikes. It's a very beautiful day out right now. We're gonna ride our bikes, our dirt bikes. We're out here in this nice little hut. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. So,
I don't have any tools.
I'm not gonna ride my dirt bike right now because I'm filming. But you can watch my sister. She has a electric bike like me, and I'm very proud of her for working it out. So, okay. So, Layton, we're gonna see your dirt bike racing later, okay? Okay. All right. Goodbye. Bye.
We're fit next to a fan.
Am I gonna be on your video?
Big fan. We pitted next to him. Watches all of our videos. This here's Pete from a company I can't pronounce. Look him up in Westchester.
Good looking guy.
See you, bro.
How you doing, girls?
In the Monahan house, there's always a chance to ride the dirt bike. So ride the dirt bike whenever. If this is gonna be on Tank Masters, my name's Harlow Trey Monahan, if you don't know. I'm the oldest and kind of the youngest. Second to oldest. Liam, what's your name?
My name is Layton Monahan, and
before we do anything else, get the merch. Tank Masters, the best company. We also have t-shirts. Our grandma can help them with the designs with you, but that's not gonna happen here.
and there's also colors.
No.
You're good. How much have you recorded?
I have no idea.
All right, say good night.
All right, good night, everyone. I hope you liked this video. Monahan.
What's your name?
Ophelia Monahan.
Okay, and what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna see you on weekend.
Okay.
Poppy, if you're watching this video, I want to say something. That I made for you. If you haven't have had the love for dirt bikes, none of the Monahan family would be riding dirt bikes. Thank you so much for bringing dirt bikes to our lives. If our parents didn't learn about dirt bikes, we would never be able to ride it, and that would be very sad because we came to a dirt bike stadium, and if we weren't riding dirt bikes, that would be horrible. Because of you, Poppy, the world became a better place about dirt bikes.
Now can I